I have been in a complete place of complaining, mostly because I can acknowledge that I am stepping forward in a way that is triggering amounts of insecurity and actually also triggering some old unresolved trauma for me. And oftentimes when we catch ourselves in these spirals of complaining, all it is resistance. I mean, the visual, it's as though you were literally taking oil and dumping it onto this imaginary fire of doom, right? Of like things not working out. So the invitation is actually accountability to your process. So drop in when resistance is present, when you're complaining, drop in and feel the feel. Feeling is integrating, which means feeling is healing. Then take accountability for how you've contributed to your current circumstances.